Okay guys, now that we talked about a lot of things that I love about the Subaru Forester, this 2024 model year, this is a sport trim, but now let's discuss a few things that I don't like. And one of the biggest probably is the fuel economy. So this is the original window sticker for this car. As you can see, it says 53 highway, 26 city, 29 combined MPG, but while this number 33 checks out completely, it can easily do 33, even 35 and 36 miles per gallon in my experience by riding on the highway. This 26 city, not possible, not achievable, not in my experience anyway, because I've been driving this car for almost 2,000 miles, and even after the first break-in period of 1,000 miles, it was always hovering around 14 miles per gallon. So city driving, if you do a lot of stop and go traffic, in the summer using the AC, in the winter using the heater, obviously just using the car like you normally would to be comfortable for just getting in, putting the AC on, putting the heater on, and you drive. And if you live in the city with a lot of stop and go traffic, I don't think that from my experience I'm like spending a lot of time in traffic, but it's just stop and go and going reasonable 20-25 miles an hour. If you do a lot of that, expect your MPG to be less than 20 miles per gallon, less than 15 miles per gallon in my experience. And let me know how it is in your car. But I live in Brooklyn and it is like that here. Okay, so I'm not gonna tell you that this is a deal breaker for me. I'm still very happy that I got this car, but it would be so nice to have decent city MPG numbers, because 15 miles per gallon, not even, is just not very good. But it has a big fuel tank, 16 gallons, 16.6 I believe, or 16.4, something like that. So in theory, if you have that big fuel tank and if you go on a long drive and you're averaging 35 miles per gallon, this car is going to basically take you places. You're going to go for a long ride before you need to fill up, and for that, that's good. But if you're going to be doing a lot of short trips, dropping kids off, going to the shops, going here and there, but just know that you're not going to be doing anywhere close to 26 mile per gallon city, not even 20 in my experience, not even 15. And it's disappointing, yes, but it is what it is. I'm just adapting to this, and it's my car, and what are you going to do? So yeah, that's what I want to discuss with you about the things that I don't like about this car.